Hello guys and welcome back to another video. And today guys it's Bonfire Night 2021 and it's the 5th of November today, isn't it Dad?
It is.
So it's going to be good, isn't it? We're going to go to have, so Mum's off to work now, she's going to work for a bit in it. So today guys we're going to go to a bonfire night at the race course, aren't we Dad?
Well, it's a rugby club.
Yeah, it's a rugby club. We've been there before, haven't we Dad?
A long while ago now, but
a long while, because we couldn't go last year because of COVID.
What we're going to have for tea?
Mackies.
Well, no, when we're at the bonfire night.
Hot dogs.
Oh!
Gonna be cool, isn't it, Dad?
I can't wait.
So, Dad.
Yeah.
We are waiting for Mum to get home to go to the bonfire night.
We are. As soon as Mum gets
Soon
in.
we're gonna get off and go to a bonfire night. Are you looking forward to it, Dad?
It's dark.
It's getting pitch black and Mum's not home yet.
Yeah, she'll be home soon.
But she'll be home soon at least.
Okay.
This is a much bigger event than last night, isn't it, Dad?
We're at the Rainbows firework display at the Leicester Racecourse. This is going to be a big one. Should we go in?
Yeah.
Cool.
Brilliant. It's bonfire, isn't it? Are you having a nice time, Dad?
I'm having a great time, mate.
Oh, it's been a great video, guys. What? The bar? Having a drink. Oh, I'm so hungry. Okay, Dad, this is something very funny to say. Might definitely make all my subscribers off. A ban in the pink shirt, man. A ban in the pink. It's okay. Think of something funny to do. That was the end of Harvz Bonfire Night and Harvz 66 video from Drink. By the way, if you enjoyed Harvz's video, don't forget to subscribe to Harvz's channel. So leave a like on this video because I enjoyed it. So yeah, bye.